if you become president, can I tell you a story? Most of you don't know this. Anybody who ever built a temple for God, their kingdom lasted. For 4 years of Ivory Coast built the biggest basilica in Africa, and nobody could do a coup against Fufu till he died. I don't know if you know Jephthah. Society, his family said he's a non-entity. The father slept with the mother who is a prostitute. So when we were sharing their property, they didn't give him some. And the guy went to join vagabonds, thieves, armed robbers, evil men, and became their captain. Then there was an attack against Israel. When they looked to their city, there was nobody who can fight. And so they went to look for the rejected stone called Jephthah. Let me tell you this. When God wants to pick you, people can remember your past, but please remember your future. Jephthah said, really, if you want me to go and lead you in battle, I have condition. And I was surprised. This guy who was a leader of all the prostitutes and robbers in town knew Bible than any of the Jews. He began to go from Genesis, the Exodus, to the book of Judges. Judges chapter 10, 9, 10, 11. That's where the story is. And the people said, we'll make you king. And the guy was smart. He knew that he can't go alone. He said, God, if you take me and I come out, anything that comes out of my house, I will give to you. He made a vow. You know what it means to make a vow? Anytime you make a vow, what it simply means is that you make the one you made a vow to has an interest in what you are going to do. When he won the war, he thought a goat or a sheep. I guess who came? Beautiful daughter. And yet he still offended him. Where is the National Cathedral? He made a vow to God that if you become president, can I tell you a story? Most of you don't know this. Anybody who ever built a temple for God, their kingdom lasted. For 4 years of Ivory Coast, built the biggest basilica in Africa, and nobody could do a coup against Fufu till he died. David built a temple, and God prepared the king for the temple. And God said, your kingdom will reign forever. Where is the National Cathedral? How can a man tell God, if you make me president, I will build you a National Cathedral, and end up trying to use the nation's money to build? The vow was, I will build you a cathedral. Let me tell you this. Ghana is at the brink of danger, and we need intercessors to talk to God. That Lord, some people are saying that yes, we will go on and we'll go on. It is true, we'll go on, but at which expense?